Hi guys, so I've been working on a little project to improve my current ground station, doing it in, 3D printing a new design. Hopefully I'll have some images of the progress or some broken down images of the actual inner workings of it. But the purpose of this video is to show you the final result and how it will look on my my stand. So here we are. I have to get back quite a way to fit it in. So on the top there you've got the 1.3 gigahertz receiver. It's got the upgraded tuner inside from Ready-Made RC. That then has a box below here to hide the power and audio cable, and I have a little Fox here 25 milliwatt VChex, 5.8 VChex there, sending a signal out to my goggles, and there's a hole in its bum to house the stand. Now this is an improvement over my previous designs in that I've also got on the back the circular wireless circularly polarized antenna. I can't remember, it's such a long time since I had it, I've forgotten what the name of it is now, but it's a panel antenna versus the cloverleaf one on top. So this is very directional, whereas that's kind of omnidirectional. Sorry, you get all the stuff in the way. If I want to switch between the panel and the blue beam antenna, I'll obviously remove that and then have an extension cable to go to the back of the panel filter. Well, last bit I suppose, we've got an XT60 plug coming out here. I should put some Velcro on this section, just to Velcro the battery on there. Don't really see the point in anything more than that, but yes, prints come out nice. It's all designed around M3 screws as well. What with the cars I'm doing now, I've got loads of different size M3 screws, so the lid's held on with M3 screws, the receivers held on with screws, and the panels held on with screws. So hopefully it should be quite sturdy. We shall see.